it can be difficult to motivate yourself to get out when you're tired, when it's cold, when you've gotten little sleep. But I guarantee that if you get out and do it, you're gonna feel so much better afterwards. Starting is the hardest part. The weather, as you can see here, is snowy and beautiful. Everything you'd hope Hokkaido to be if you were coming here for photography. Except, I'm not shooting today. Today, I'm going skiing. Alright, the last run of the day, and the storm has picked up considerably more. Visibility is low. Last run, let's do it. After a day of skiing, we headed back to a friend's place for a night of good food, drinks, conversation, and very little sleep. Getting up the next morning was tough. I'm on my way to see a celebrity tree. Now, Biei is full of these celebrity trees, and if you're coming to Biei on a photography tour, most likely you're going to come to some of these places. As I'm driving down the road, I'm 5 minutes away from my location that I was looking to go to, and I look across the field and I see these two trees just begging me to photograph them. So my first shot through the car window, I'm going to put the window down and take my first shot. We're going for minimalism today, and a snowy landscape like this is perfect for the kind of photography that I'm looking to do. Now, one of the most random things that I think I've ever seen is just to the right of that stand of trees, right over there, there is an outdoor gym, and there's a dude over there pumping iron. I think it's the most random thing I've ever seen while out shooting, and probably one of the coolest. That guy must be pretty badass. I got to work lining up my shot, a straight-on, uncluttered, minimalistic shot that I knew immediately I'd be converting to black and white. Another quintessential celebrity tree of Biei shot. This stand of trees was used in a cigarette commercial from I think the 80s, and it's still called by the same name of that brand, the Mild Sevens Hill. Personally, I think the name could do a rehaul. I'm just going to play around a little bit here. I'm going to zoom all the way in. And taking a shot. All right, there we go. I think I'm happy with that. I'm going to call that one in the can. Let's move on. The next destination is the Christmas tree, a location that I shot 2 summers ago, and I've been planning to come back since to shoot it in the wintertime. You can check out the previous episode by hitting this link above or find the link in the description below. Nearly at the Christmas tree, I spotted this other lone tree in the same field. This tree is probably always overlooked due to its proximity to the Christmas tree, but its simplicity and beauty called to me just as intensely. I was not disappointed with the results. I inched the car down the road to change the contours of the landscape and eliminate the colors in the sky in the background. This is as beautiful and as simple as it gets. pure Biei photography. I had to get out of the way. There was a massive snowplow coming down the road, and I had to hightail it out of there. Now, I think I'll leave that shot be. I hope you enjoyed it. Let's remember why we were here in the first place: the Christmas tree. There we go. And I think that, for me, right there. Oh, I can see that somebody has walked out to that tree. Somebody has walked into their private property, which is really, really uncool. Hey, here's a friendly reminder for anyone coming to Hokkaido for photography, and specifically to shoot these celebrity trees in Biei. Be respectful of other people's property. Farmers have been known to cut down trees due to disrespectful tourists. We don't want that to happen. We want all of these places to be enjoyed in the future by anyone who comes and visits this beautiful land. Be respectful. So, time to bundle up again and head outside. I climbed up onto the roof of the car to get a different angle on this next shot. The simple majesty of this tree lives up to the hype in this wintry landscape. So I've jumped on top of my car to get a much clearer view. I have my phone here resting up against my R5, and I'm shooting with my video camera, my M50 Mark II. And it's got a 16mm wide lens, and that is perfect for this location. I think I got a nice shot. I think I've gotten all the wonderful shots that I'm going to get here today. I think it's time for me to knock off to the last location and then head home for some dog sledding. Here we go. Man, what a day of photography this turned out to be. This location is spectacular. Man, I've seen photos of this place and I've always thought, yeah, it looks nice, but probably not as nice as you would hope it would be. But once I got here, this is spectacular. Man, the blue in the water, it just pops. These falls are worth it, man. Beautiful. Now I have to get back. I have a dog sled trip to attend. What a day of adventure, photography and fun. If you are interested in the dog sledding, stick around. It's going to be fun.
Hang on tight!
Following a shadow down to the graveyard, gonna say a prayer, gonna pay my dues. I've been running wild ever since I left Virginia, trying to find a face that might remind me. I can see the sunlight rising in the mountains, orange and red in the morning sky. I know that the world is ever steady changing. Lord, give me wings so I could fly away, fly away, fly away, fly away, fly away.
This trip was much more than just photography. It was about friendship, adventure, exploration, and challenging myself to try new things. All of these things inform my photography and not only make me a better photographer, but also a better human being. I hope you enjoyed coming along for the ride. Drop me a comment and let me know what you think.
Sing another song for the ones in sorrow. Sing about the smiles that they'll never see. Sing about a love who's over across the mountain. Tell her that I love her. Don't you tell about her.
Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, share, the notification bell, and I'll see you next time.